is Ichigo Ema, the Instagram creator who has built a growing audience with her unique online style? Ichigo Ema is a social media creator known for sharing fashion, lifestyle, and personal content on Instagram. Her profile currently has around 97,000 followers and more than 700 posts, showing her consistency on the platform. Ichigo's Instagram features a variety of photos and short videos. Often centered around fashion and everyday lifestyle moments. She also uses her profile to connect with followers across different social media platforms, making her online presence more than just one Instagram account. With thousands of followers and regular content, Ichigo has developed a recognizable presence on social media. Her videos continue to attract viewers, while her profile gives followers a look into her personal style and online personality. Ichigo also highlights her other social accounts through her Instagram profile. This helps her audience discover more of her content and stay connected with her across different platforms. From fashion and lifestyle posts to short-form videos and social media updates, Ichigo Ema continues to build her digital presence. With a growing audience and an individual style, her social media journey continues to evolve. Follow for more Instagram influencer biographies.